Hi, I'm Harshita. I'm 22 years old and I will turn 23 in the next 3-4 months. Okay. And now I have come to a conclusion that I don't stick to things. That's kind of my problem. That I want to try a million new things, and I'd say I stick to it, but at the same time I'll take up like 400 चीज़ें भाई. मतलब मैं एक चीज़ से नहीं चालू करूँगी. मैं चालू करूँगी, ओ मेरे को वेट लॉस भी करना है, मेरे को पुशअप भी करना है, मेरे को पुल अप भी करना है, मेरे को एआई भी सीखना है, मेरे को मेरे ऑफिस में भी सबसे टॉप में रहना है. तो या मैं ऐसा एकदम रिडिकुलस ह्यूमनली इम्पॉसिबल चीज़ें पे फोकस करती हूँ कि ओ मुझे सब कुछ करना है. दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. And I've tried making content for a million times, like literally मैं पिछले 2 साल से I've been planning to make content like consistently, but something or the other comes up and I just don't stick to it. Again, I feel it's just priority lacking thing, that it just was not my priority, so I was not just doing it. But this year I have promised myself. So in the month of December, I had a lot of leaves in my from my office. So I have spent like literally 2-3 दिन बस ये figure out करने के लिए कि what I want this year to look like. Like literally I've spent 2-3 days just thinking about it, and I finalized कि भाई मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं करनी है, मुझे कुछ चीज़ें करनी है. So I've only picked out like 4 cities where this year I want to go. That's it. Like, oh, like last year my vision board was कि oh मैं मलेशिया भी जा रही हूँ, मैं यूके भी जा रही हूँ. Dude, पैसे कौन दे रहा है मेरे को? कोई नहीं, ठीक है. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया से very practical, 3 Indian cities और एक abroad city. So like that. Then I've picked out like 2-3 activity only. Again, I still feel like it's very overwhelming, but then yeah. So now एक month Jan is already over, and when I look back at it, and I think कि oh, I'm looking there because there is my, oh, if you can guys can see, yeah, there is my vision board. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see it. So when I look back at it now, I think about it now, I'm looking at it and I've been thinking कि dude, in सब में से I don't know if I am doing any of it. Like, am I even moving in that direction? Like ki, the whole point of your whole year is going ki you don't at least achieve it, but at least you know the sense of direction, right? Ki मेरा whole point December में जब मैं बना रही थी तो मेरा ऐसा था कि but at least I have some direction where in which direction I want to go, okay? And I'm like मैं कर रही हूँ क्या, ठीक है. तो like starting of the Feb, everyone was doing like starting of the Feb, of course I was doing like, oh, I was like waking up like 6 in the morning and I was going to the gym and like coming back and I go to office and like yeah. But then now I think about it and I was like, am I? Again, excuse for myself that I'd give is कि हाँ ठीक है मैं घर गई थी, so I went home after like 6 months, so again like there was like a disturb, and so I could not do it. And after that, I broke my I did not break my ankle, it just ligament tear for now, but yeah, so ligament tear हो गया, so again, but so there's like a three major thing, okay? Like the main thing of my vision board is like these three things, okay? And I really want to achieve it. And in order for me to achieve that is like to stick to like me making content. And it is like very important. So like when I was making this vision board, I was like, oh, this is my birthday tak ka vision board ki I will be able to achieve everything till my birthday. But now I'm practically thinking ki घंटा बर्थडे तक नहीं हो पाने वाला है, मेरे को पूरे साल लग जाएंगे. So yeah, at least one thing that I will definitely do is learn ukulele. So that is like one thing in my vision board. At least I can fit it. Like right now, my it's like I have key. I have to like just like this is like a checklist box that I have to complete by the end of this year, and uh, yeah. Why do I always keep something to myself where I'm running towards something always? But I guess that is how my brain wires. Ki if I don't have any sense of direction, then I'd like just overthink. So yeah. So what now my plan is, ठीक है. So if you can see here, ठीक है, this दिख रहा है तुमको, हाँ. तो इसमें पता मैंने क्या लिखा है? I'll read it out for you guys, ठीक है. So there is scroll stop. This is where I'm working right now. By the way, it's 2nd Feb. Oh sorry, oh fuck, it's 3rd Feb. Oh, if you guys can see, yeah, it's oh fuck dude, what the fuck? Yeah, it's 3rd Feb, okay. That's my mom, by the way. Yeah, so it's 3rd Feb. And there's like scroll shop, that's my current company I'm working right now. Then there is freelance work because मेरा current company का salary is not enough for me. The problem is that तो मैं फ्रीलांस करती हूँ, तो पहले तो मैंने दिसंबर में छोड़ दिया था कि नहीं नहीं हम फ्रीलांस नहीं करेंगे, हम वी गोना फोकस ऑन अपस्किलिंग माई सेल्फ एंड बुलशिट एंड क्रैप. But then December ended and I see, oh, I don't have money, so I was like, oh fuck it, let's just do freelancing because I need extra money. Then there is job switch. So since my current company is not sufficient for me, I want to switch. And also I am not the biggest fan of my of the people in my company. I hope they don't see this video, but yeah, I'm not like the biggest fan. Like, so like the culture and all, it's like very chill. Maybe I'm just not that chill for, like, I'm not that chill. That's maybe the problem. So yeah. So again, let's like think practically. ठीक है, हम तेरे को जॉब स्विच करना है, तेरे को रेज्यूमे बिल्ड करना है, पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड करना है, और ऐसा दिन कि मेरे को बहुत जॉब एक्सपीरियंस है भाई, मेरे को चालू हुई है, मैं यही साल लाइक लास्ट ईयर ही मैं जॉब करना चालू की हूँ. या आई एम एक्सेप्शनली गुड एट माई वर्क, बट देन स्टिल इट्स नॉट लाइक एन ईजी टास्क. ओके, अदर देन दैट ये तीन चीज़ है, ठीक है. दैट इज लाइक करियर वाइज. ओके, देन द पर्सनल वाइज देयर इज वेट लॉस एंड कॉन्टेंट. तो सिंस आई स्टार्टेड अर्निंग लास्ट ईयर, आई हैड जीरो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑब्लिगेशन, सो आई एट इतना ज़्यादा खाना फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. I was like, oh, I can just order it. Oh, there's no one no one like saying no to me. Oh. So मैंने इतना बाहर का खाया कि मैं मोटी हो चुकी हूँ, like काफ़ी मोटी हो चुकी हूँ. And when I went home, like this is another level of body shaming going on in my house. It's like a joke for them, but it's not a joke for me. But yeah, so I have to lose weight, like definitely lose weight. Okay, I have to like very sexy fucking hot. Again, this is another thing in my life. पिछले 2 साल से जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ओ मैं फेमस बनूंगी, मैं तो जस्ट बन ओ I'll be famous. Okay, one day I'll be famous. वैसे ही मैं पिछले 2 साल से बोल रही हूँ कि ओ I'll be fucking sexy as fuck. ओ मतलब like I'll have that perfect body, like oh like yeah. So this year I actually want to do it. Okay, and then weight loss के बाद आता है ठंडा content, जो भी मैं अगेन 2 साल से बोल ही रही हूँ. तो या अब इसके अलावा आई हैव टेकन अप अनदर थिंग दैट आई वांट टू डू इज कि इफ यू गाइस कैन सी, द थिंग इज आई कैंट वॉक बिकॉज मेरे को पैर पे लगी है, तो मैं आपको तुमको वैसे दिखाऊंगी. इफ यू गाइस कैन सी माय गॉड या सो दिस थिंग. तो या कल रात को मैंने बैठ के बना फुल स्टिक किया है बैठ के दीवार पे, ठीक है, कि वन थिंग आई स्टिक फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30 days. ठीक है, जस्ट वन थिंग. अब मैं क्या सोचूंगी, ठीक है, कि अब 30 दिन है, अब मैं करूँगी 30 दिन तक ना 4 चीज़ चेक करूँगी. ओ मैं हर दिन यूट्यूब पे वीडियो भी डालूंगी, और मैं AI भी 4 घंटे सीखूंगी, और मतलब आई डोंट नो, मतलब व्हाट इज समथिंग इज रॉन्ग विद मी, दैट व्हिच आई नो, बट टू मच थिंग आई वांट टू डू इन लाइफ. बट या, बट नाउ आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि ये तो मैं कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि क्या है ना, आप बताती हूँ कि this happened, okay, तो मैं ligament is tear, right, तो एक for 1 week I'm on bed rest, तो literally I have nothing to do, like actually I have too much thing to do, but I don't have any human touch, and I need to talk, because if I don't talk then I go mad. एंड मैं कॉल वॉल पे कितना ही बात कर लूँ, मतलब अब तो मुझको लग रहा है कि आई शुड बी माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाला थिंग. एनीवेज आई एम लोनली एज फक. तो या, सो आई एम लाइक ओ दिस आई कैन डू. सो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि आई मे बी आई नॉट पुट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. तो होने से रहा, अब तो आई एम एम्बैरेस्ड टू गो बैक ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड लाइक पोस्ट अगेन, बिकॉज अब तो भाई इतने बार तो मैं इतने बार एपिसोड 1 एपिसोड 2 एपिसोड 3 निकाला, फिर मैं गायब हो जाती हूँ, फिर एपिसोड 1 एपिसोड 2 एपिसोड 3 निकालती, फिर मैं गायब हो जाती हूँ. तो अब तो मेरे को थोड़ा इंस्टाग्राम पे तो नहीं करना है, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग फॉर नाउ. आई मे बी स्विच टू यूट्यूब नाउ, ठीक है. I'll just like post ऐसी rant videos कि चल क्या रहा है मेरे लाइफ में. So this way it will give me and like exhale, like so like a place to let out, and also I can update and whatever, it just like it'll see whatever it is. So I was thinking कि maybe I make like a digital diary, no editing in it, no scripting in it, no concept in it, it's just me ranting, because that's what the problem before it was. Okay, so I was thinking कि maybe I'll like put like updates, so that like when I grow up, or like when I'm like extremely rich, or when I am definitely gonna be rich, but like, so maybe like when my kids are like in my age, and they'll see this and they'll be like ha ha ha, so funny, ha ha, something like that. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Oh, by the way, the plan is कि अभी जो 30 days है ना, उसमें मेरा plan है कि मैं ऐसे YouTube पे एक वीडियो डालूंगी रैंट करते हुए, गिविंग अपडेट कि क्या चल रहा है दिन का अपडेट. उसके अलावा मैं वाज थिंकिंग कि there's make.com, okay, AI. 10 मिनट ज़्यादा वीडियो बनाना है, हाँ, तो make.com. So I am gonna sit on it and every day I'm gonna do an automation and send that video to Ansh Mehra. What do you think?